winter weather message. For the following county, Jefferson, New York. What? Significant icing expected. Total ice accumulations of a half to near 3/4 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour near the entrance to the St. Lawrence River. Where? Northern Jefferson County. Greatest ice accumulations near the St. Lawrence River. When? From 6 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Expect power outages and tree damage due to the ice. Travel could be impossible. Strong winds could cause tree damage. Additional details. Strong west winds will develop late Sunday morning through early Sunday afternoon, and could gust as high as 55 miles per hour, which could have an impact on any ice-laden trees and power lines. Travel may be nearly impossible due to ice-covered surfaces and slash or down tree limbs and power lines.